is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Baked, and today we're up in the freaking mountains, as you can see, the beautiful view, and we met up with this random guy, and he's offering to do us some little rollers because he just got the Osmo thing and he wants to test it out. So we're doing a little bit of rollers. I want to do a wheelie, but I ain't gonna put it up this close to him. Bro, I got the professional setup with the dampener thing and everything. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I'll test it out for you, boy. Woo! Look at them beamers. Holy crap, there's so many. You should have asked them for the rollers, bro. Got the homies. Finally found some freaking homies. Bro is slinging rocks like crazy on this gravel. Alright, let's see how we feeling. Got a boy Jackson in front of us. I've never actually met this dude in person, so good to finally meet him. Finally, we can go a little bit. Dang, bro, this dude was freaking quick. Bro, talking about being rusty. Heck no. Nah, he's just way faster than me. It's alright. Just up here to have fun. Oh. Could have took that turn a lot better. Forearm is not used to this freaking, all this action. Pause on that one, but still. See if we can pop it up right here. Maybe. At least do a few wheelies today. Bro's cutting the lanes a little bit. There we go, got my knee down right there. Feels good. Need to work on my right side for the knee down. Down right there. Yep. Watch out for the gouge in the road right there. Lane ends, so watch the car. Yep. Alright. Got the GT4 RS. Oh my god, it's so sexy. Dang, all the homies are waiting. Alright, then. Skirt. Hey, little wheelie. From the boy Kevin. Bro, this been on the R3, bro. He's flying through the turns. If you say you ever outgrow an R3, no, you didn't, unless you're riding like this guy. Tiny tap to my right knee. Dude, that little stone wall sounds so good right there. Bro, he must have that R3 pin, bro. Holy crap. God dang, getting rocks flicked all over me. SV650, dude. Ah, we got some traffic. Oh shoot. There we go, go around it. Little knee tap there. Come on, Kevin. I guess we're behind some traffic anyway. Bro, this thing is freaking sexy. The time attack Beamer with the big old wing and all gutted and roll caged out. Sheesh. I like that thing. Sounds good. God dang, that thing sounds good. I guess that's a V8, I don't know. Alright, let's see if we can get a clean up run. Ooh, GT4 RS. Oh my god, a Supra! Holy crap. Big ol' wing on that thing. Whee! Woo! Take a little intermission for the wheelchair driver. Little wheelie into the corners. Oh, there's GSP. Whoops. We didn't see any GSP, so I guess we're ripping. Trying to get some footage of my boy here. Ripping on the freaking R3, holy. Yo, 2 Cybertrucks? Getting rocks all over me. Yes, sir. The GT4 RS again.